Hi guys, welcome back again. My name is David Oku, and in this video I would want to show you how to use the MOL UiPath Screen Recorder. Basically, this UiPath package helps you record your screen while your process runs. Without wasting too much time, let's see this. Alright, to get the package installed into your sample project, go to Manage Packages, and you want to be on the feeds for NuGet.org, and you want to search for the package name mol.uipath.screen recorder. Get this installed. I already have this installed, and that is why you see the uninstall button. But if you don't have this installed, you should see an install button. So go ahead, hit install and click save to install. For now, I do not have this package on the official UiPath marketplace, and that is why if you come here, you wouldn't see it here. I am working on that. I have sent the package over to the official UiPath marketplace, and those guys should have it uploaded soon. Okay, for now, use NuGet.org and let's see this work. Get this package installed, install, and hit save. Now the screen recorder is installed. In your activity panel, you want to search for screen recorder, and you should see the screen recorder activity. Drag this into any workflow of your choice, preferably main, because you would want to start recording as soon as you start the process. In fact, I would love to have this recorder right after my Chrome application opens up. So I'm going to cut this and take it to the point at which I open my Chrome browser application. And that is in this workflow. So I'm going to have it here after I launch and open the FX app. So I'm going to put it right after here. The reason why I am doing this is because I want to record the activities that goes on the Chrome browser. Now the required argument for this activity is output folder path. For now, I would be using this folder on my computer as the output folder path. So I'm going to grab the path, and I am going to have the path right here. I hit Ctrl S to save. Now, other properties are should stop after maximum duration. If you set this value to true, it means that you want the screen recorder to stop after a given amount of time in seconds, and that is the maximum duration in seconds, meaning you have to provide this value as well. Okay, but we are not using that. We are using should stop after target process. So this is going to stop the screen recorder after a target process closes. So I'm going to set this value to true, and I'm going to provide the name of the target process, which is Chrome. I hit Ctrl S to save. For screen height, if you do not provide a value, the screen recorder uses the default of 1080. And for screen width, if you don't provide a value, it uses the default of 1920. For output video file name without extension, it's just the name of the video file without an extension. You can provide a value here. For the case of this tutorial, I'm going to provide a value. I'm going to call that test video. So meaning my output file is going to be something like testvideo.mp4. If you do not provide a value here, it uses the default as the current date time stamp. And finally, if you only provide the required parameter, which is the output folder path, and leave every other property or parameter blank, the screen recorder would automatically use maximum duration of 30 seconds. Without wasting too much time, let's run our process and see what our output should look like for these parameters we have just set. So I hit Ctrl S to save. I go back to main, and let's run this project. I hit run. And my project is up. So we should see our recording output as soon as the process is done. Okay, now my process is complete. That was a bit of a wait. Now, if you go to the output panel, you'll see my process started successfully and finished successfully. And it took about 1 minute 57 seconds to complete. So I should be expecting the video in my specified location, and that video should be about 1 minute 57 seconds long. So let's head over to the specified location, and boom, we have our test video here. And if I open up this test video file, exactly, it is 1 minute, about 1 minute 3 seconds long, and it records everything that occurred in our Chrome browser. How interesting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys when next I see you. Cheers, and don't forget to subscribe.